take a look at finding the greatest common factor of 35 and 55. I'm going to use a factor tree to help me do that. You may ask, what is a factor tree? Let me show you. We're going to take the 35 and we're going to ask ourselves, okay, what two numbers multiply to give us 35? Well, two numbers that multiply to give us 35 are 5 and 7. So I'm going to just draw a little tree diagram, 5 and 7. Now, 5 and 7 are both what we call prime numbers. That means that we only get 5 by multiplying 1 times 5. We only get 7 by multiplying 1 times 7. And that means that this part of my factor tree is done. I'm going to circle them to show that they are finished. All right, let's move on to 55 now. Okay, we'll do the same thing. We ask ourselves, what two numbers will multiply to give me 55? Well, again, we see lots of 5s going on there. So we can assume that a 5 is in there. And now we know 5 times 11 will give me 55. Notice again that 5 is a prime number, since only 1 times 5 will give us 5. And 11 is a prime number, since only 1 times 11 will give us 11. So I know those are done. Once you get circles at the end of your branches here, you want to look at them together and ask yourselves, okay, what do they have in common? I hope your eye is drawn to that 5 there. This is our common factor, our greatest common factor. It's what they have in common. Our greatest common factor for these two numbers is 5. Now you're going to see this sometimes abbreviated as GCF, but for 35 and 55, that is 5.